Hello everyone. So I did say that we should focus on the join syntax next for our video, but before that, I want to focus on the way that you write a temporary table. So basically, what we're going to do is we're going to assign an alias, a temporary name, to a table, and trust me, it will be easier to work with as you join more and more table together. So let's start with that. Up at the top here, go to create and go to query design. Go ahead and close this and right click query one here and go to SQL view. So the way that you assign a temporary name or an alias to a table is you write like this. So you write select, go ahead and just select all for now, and you write from the table that you want. So let's say I want to see from the table employees. So one way to assign the temporary name is you write whatever name that you want right here. So whatever name right here of the table. So usually for me, I usually write T1, and then up at the top here you would write T1.all. So go ahead and run that, and you should see that all of your fields should be the same for the employees table. And this is helpful because as you join more and more table together, you will see that you don't want to retype some of the name of the table. And also, this will help avoid the issue where the fields in each of the table can't have the same name. So I'll show you that later on. But just know that you can name it anything. You don't have to name it T1. You can name this as temp table. And up here, you can write temp table as well. So go ahead and click run on that, and it should be the same thing. So that's all for this short video. And I'll see you in the next video where I really just show you the joins. Thanks, bye.